What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, y'all know how we do, baby. We about to get this money, man, but before we do all that, y'all know what we gotta do, baby. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, boy. That Coke Zero get you going, boy. Clear out all them pipes, boy. You understand what I'm saying? Let's get to it. Anyway, man, let's check out the monster. As you can see, yesterday I had right at 4 million, like 4.01 or something like that. In 24 hours, I've earned, well, not earned, but I have 500,000 more in my deposits. Oh man, boy, this thing is like a bull in a china shop, bro. It just wrecking shop. It's like a 24-year-old man playing football in the Pee Wee League, just running touchdowns. Ain't nobody, ain't nothing. Boy, this thing is just crazy. That's 500,000 more dollars, bro. 500,000. I'm making 500. Let me see, $5,000 a day more than I was yesterday. And they ain't even do nothing. They ain't built no more team. 5,000 more dollars a day than I was making. I'm already making 40,000. Now I'm making 45,000. What's another 5,000? You know, I mean, I'm an elitist. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, man. It's all good. My whole squad making money, man. I love the conversations we have now. It's just so different than, even a year ago. Everybody was talking about taking losses and getting rugged and this and that and just confusion everywhere, man. Now it's all about, hey, what about these taxes? You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, man, what kind of car? Should I get this? Should I get that? Or should I buy my mama a house? Should I do that? Man, it's crazy. The number one question right now that everybody asking that's in Drip is, should I quit my job? Like, people are, that's where people at right now. That's where people are in this thing, man. It's like, it's the best thing ever. It just is. It just is. Nobody can point out nothing else is the best thing ever in crypto. Period, bro. You understand what I'm saying? This thing is absolutely life-changing, bro. This thing will change your life. And I've been saying that since day one, bro. Day one. It's life-changing. It'll change your life. Look, let me show you. I had a video back from April 13th, all the way back in 2021, almost a year ago. Not June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This is back in April. Now I was talking about Drip way before this, but this is the only one I put the Drip in the name. This was after the pre-sale, so I was talking about Drip long before that. But we hadn't even seen the UI yet. Shout out to Moonrat though, boy. We made some money in Moonrat. God almighty. Whew, boy, we made some. I think, boy, you wake up and got. Anyway, shout out to Moonrat, man. Anyway, listen to this right here, man. It's crazy. See if I can turn it up so you can hear. Hopefully you can hear me. Anyway, man, y'all know what it is. Hey, like I said, shout out to everybody. That Drip going, I'm telling you, that thing is going to change a lot of lives. Remember, I told you, I'm telling you, the demand for that thing is through the roof. And everybody not getting in. So the demand gonna be extra when it come out. Ain't no 15% to the foundation. None of that. So man, because it's a fixed amount. This ain't no just printing forever and get to print how much you want. You know what I'm saying? Like, baby. See what I'm saying? Life changing, baby. Life changing. And it's funny because, damn, boy. It's funny because I saw a Drip FUD video last night. I thought a dude name was Birdman Adams or Adams Birdman or something like that. But it was hilarious. You know how you be looking at something and you be looking at the screen, ain't nobody in the room with you, but you be looking around like, y'all hear this shit? Somebody come take a listen to this. Man, it's absurd, bro. It's absurd. Like, the platform is awesome when people got to make up stuff. You gotta make up. You can't go on the merits of it alone, like have a debate about it. You just gotta make up something. Like, let's just make up something and see if it stick. Let's just, just throw something in the wind. You know what I'm saying? But that's how it is. This same thing happened to Hex. When you got something that, that works like it's supposed to, you know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't Hex, it's a cryptocurrency. It ain't that new under the sun. But when it works like it's supposed to and does what it said it's gonna do, it's like foreign to some people. Like, it can't. Nothing before it has. Like, you look at Sunday Swap. That thing done just spit the beat. It just done messed all up. That's why I ain't talk about it. Like, I don't believe in none of that stuff, bro. None of it. And I like Charles and all them. I don't believe in. I don't care what. I don't care if it's on Phantom, Matic. I don't believe in none of it, bro. Because it's all about the develop. All these people are scammers, bro. Let me tell you something. Greed, it kills every time. They don't care nothing about you. They're gonna line their pockets before they don't care nothing about you and tell you, oh man, it's congestion. Oh man, it was a glitch. Oh man, unforeseen events. It's it reminds me of like going to heaven or something. Like, everybody ain't gonna make it, bro. No matter what you believe, you know what I'm saying? Like, everybody not gonna make it. Everybody not gonna make this money, bro. You got some people they love leading people to Wreckville. They love it. But people somehow believe or think that because you speak proper English or you got all this editing. Oh man, look at that. Whoa, you seeing that? All this editing on the video that you somehow smarter than everybody else. Look at Bit Boy. He having to make sorry videos and apologizing and this and that and the other. Bro, you got 22 people on your team and y'all still can't get it right. I'm just a little one-man fella right here in my drawers every morning make a video. I put on no script, no team, no editing. None of that. You know what I'm saying? Just come here to try to make some folks some money, man. Make myself some money, and then bring my people along. When you try to help people, bro, eventually you're gonna be blessed. When you're trying to help people, not harm people. And people, they will try to harm you on purpose. You know what I'm saying? I remember the guy that started the Wise token. You can't start no token out of hate, bro. You can't do it. I just posted something in my Telegram. Let me see if I can find it. It's somewhere in here. These boys are crazy about it. Hey, everybody making money. Everybody be happy, man. Hey, what? Let's see. Oh, there it is right there. Look. Nobody would ever thought these are almost the same price, boy. Hex and Wise. Remember, Wise was 96 cents. Hex was 5 cents. Look. You can't start a program, a platform out of hate, out of beef. You can't do that. You done pissed off, hey, you calling Hex a scam and everybody gonna get wrecked and this and that. Now everybody wrecked in your shit. You can't do that, bro. The drip community is all about bringing people in. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we want everybody in to make this money. Everybody, bro. Everybody. Look, see, somebody Peter and the boys. See, come on, bro, you can't do that. And some people they don't like Hex because Richard is arrogant or Richard is this. Richard's smart, bro. I mean, he's smart. He was already rich before Hex. So what you want the man to do? Dumb himself down? He's not gonna do that. He's not gonna do that, bro. Neither is Forex. Forex is a nerd, bro. This dude is a nerd. He know this stuff. Like, he know other people's programs better than his own. That is crazy, man. This dude is hey, man. I don't know what to tell you, bro. And Layer 2 gonna be so epic. So epic. People are getting so ready for Layer 2, it ain't even funny. So ready for it. When that thing launched, boy, I don't even know. I'm myself trying to think of what the TVA gonna be in Layer 2. I'm not sure, bro. I'm just not sure. One thing I am sure of is the back scratcher is the best invention ever made on Earth, boy. Don't argue with me. Argue with your mama. The back scratcher, boy. You ever been in your car, especially in the wintertime, when you got a shirt on, a sweater, a hoodie, and a bomber jacket, and then your back start itching. And you trying to catch that corner of the seat, boy. Oh my God. That is the worst. But that is the worst thing ever, bro. Man, you get a back scratcher, especially a wooden one. Get a wooden one with a little edge on it, and turn it sideways. Get that one last. Oh my goodness. Ooh, boy, you have an accident, boy. You have an accident. I'm telling you, keep one by your side of your bed, boy. In the middle of the night, in the back get the itching, and you on a soft mattress, and you can't reach it. It's always where you can't reach. It's always where you can't get to it. Every time. It's always where you can't get to it. Anyway, man, I can talk for days, man. You know, everything is happy over here. Anyway, man, you should have already, if you ain't like the video, man, I can't believe you, bro. You should need to shed a tear right now. Tell me you sorry. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, like the video. Hit the notification button, because people be saying, I ain't getting notification until 2 hours later. You got to hit that bell, baby. You got to hit that bell button. Ding! It'll tell you. Put it on all notifications, and it'll let you know when the video is up. But anyway, man, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.